How to trade BBMA code RRE. First, finding any re-entry. Here we got daily CSM buy re-entry for Euro USD. After CSM, re-entry happened at mid BB. Now we need to find another re-entry for time frame 2 according to our code RRE. Let's move to 4-hour time frame. Time frame to 4-hour time frame, we got 3 steps re-entry. You can see re-entry happen at moving average 510 low area below. Now RR completed and only we need MLV on time frame 3 1-hour time frame. Let's filter out lower time frame. You can see 1-hour time frame we have MLV, but we don't want to enter immediately after MLV. We are waiting for CSAC happening and then enter buy at moving average 510 low. We can put our stop loss below MLV, take profit previous high. Don't rush into real account without having enough back testing. See you with BBMA next part.